So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the app notification Edge Lightning app. This app lets your phone light up when you receive notifications. Okay, so to begin, head over to the Play Store and search for it and install it. I'll also leave a link to it in the description just in case you don't want to manually search for it. Okay, so after it is done installing, tap open. Just wait for a few seconds for the app to load. Alright, so after the app loads, tap allow. If this is enabled for you, just tap it again so that this will pop up. Tap allow and then look for the app on the list that shows up. So this is it. Tap allow and tap and enable this. So go back, tap allow again, look for the app. This is it. I'll tap it, enable here. This will give it access to your notifications so the app knows when you have received one. Tap allow, go back. And now you can start adding the apps you want to receive notifications from so that your phone will light up. So for this video, I'll be using WhatsApp. So I'll tap add apps. I'll wait for a few seconds for my apps to load. And I'll scroll down because WhatsApp is at the bottom to find WhatsApp. So this is it. I'll tap it. And now I'm going to tap here to enable it. Next, I'll choose the color I want when I receive a notification from WhatsApp. So by default, green has been selected, but you can tap on this color picker here and choose any color you want. Let's go for red by selecting this. This is the color picker. I'll tap OK. You can see now that it is red. And choose any free icon you want. There's a bunch of free icons and a bunch of premium ones. I've never tried the premium ones because it may ask me to pay for them. So let's just go with the free ones. I like the circle icon, but you can choose any one you want. When you select it and you receive a notification, the icon you select will be in the top left corner. So let's just choose the smiley face as an example for this video. So after you're done, go back and do the same for any other app. Let's say, for example, X. You can go ahead and enable this and choose the color you want. As you can see, the color here is dark because the X logo is also dark. But tap here to choose any color you want. Twitter used to be blue, so let's go for blue and then tap OK. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do. So after adding X, you can see now I have two apps. But if I go back, next I'll have to enable this. And with this enabled, I can lock my phone. Let's just exit the app. I'll lock the phone, and if I send myself in a WhatsApp message, it should glow green. So let's try it out. Oh, not green, red, because I selected red. So yeah, as you can see, I've received a WhatsApp message. So this is the message that I sent myself. What I'm going to do now is switch the color to maybe blue so you can see the difference. Okay, so this is close enough. So I'll tap OK and then I'll go back. I'll lock the phone and send myself another message. So you can see the smiley face is up here. I tapped the phone, so the animation stopped. But yeah, basically that's how the app works. So you can try it out for yourself. It's a good way to know that you have notifications from apps you have selected instead of always constantly checking to see if that app has a notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.